just got back from...
All I hear is raindrops falling on the rooftop. Oh baby, tell me, why'd you have to go? Cause this pain, I feel it won't go away. And today, I'm officially missing you.
The first item that I received was a plushie. It was sent to me by one Insta store, and I'll be mentioning their Insta handle somewhere on the screen. The next product is from a brand I've long admired for their high quality products and for their soft aesthetics. They also have a pretty good packaging. The ribbon is also of high quality, which maybe I can use it later as well. They sent me scrunchie, a pouch, and their cloud tote bag. The thing that I liked about the tote bag is that it has got two different straps, which means you can style it in two different ways, one as a crossbody bag and the other as a handbag. Next we have this top which I ordered from Lulu & Sky, and I'm absolutely in love with the color. Honestly, I got this for the lace detail on the neckline. It's so girly and flirty. I thought I filmed unboxing the shoes, but I didn't. But these are the three things that were sent to me.
আমাকে 4.6 মিটার
I'm using cleansing oil by Biore, and for face wash the glycolic acid by Minimalist. So I saw a video which apparently said that glycolic acid doesn't suit well on Indian skin, but I've used two cleansers by Minimalist. One is the salicylic one and the other one is the glycolic one, and I think for my skin glycolic works better.
Rồi, thôi hôm nay sẽ đi.
Baby! We came to this local fair to just check things that were available and to see if we liked something from here. Got back now. I wanted to show you guys the things that I got. Most of the things that I got is earrings. Some of it I got it for myself, some for my friend. There's a good news for people from Agartala. I found a shop where they sell good anti-tarnish jewelry. If you're from here, it's in Hawkers. But the name of the shop, if I'm not wrong, is Bhabiji. You'll find a lot of good quality earrings, rings and bracelets. I'm in no way trying to promote the shop. Like, it's not sponsored. First of all of the things that I got is with my own money. Now I'll quickly show you the things that I got. This particular one really gives me a Victorian vibe. Just if you can see, like, I'll open and show you as well. I was editing and I just found out that, you know, I deleted the clips where I was showing the earrings. So I'm here to show you again the earrings that I got. This is the first one. A little similar to that, but I got this. It has got a little rhinestone in the sides as well. This is one of my favorite. Also got this. This is butterfly. I got it in gold. Some of it I got in gold and some in silver. And I also got this. It's my OOTD for today. Also carrying this bag that I got from Akiko. My Kuromi charm right here. This top is from Numi and I'm just carrying a mask. She doesn't know the area properly. Oh, okay.
Water one, you know. Cranberry tea from Kame. It's quite good. Cranberry, yeah. Some of the time. Peach iced tea, nana, huh? I don't. Not everyone can make good cappuccino.
Yeah, exactly. नीचे लेफ्ट साइड यहाँ से
टॉयलेट भी है
Just got back after getting my lashes done. I got open eye look. It's longer in the middle and shorter towards the inner corner as well as the ends. So I got it done from Lash Island. That's one of the most famous where you can get your lashes done in.
You know 내 스타일이 아닌 음악을 들어도 You know 좋아하시는 음식은 젖어도 좋아 Because I love you 우리 관계 디비디비딥 매일 봐도 정같이 비기비기니 춤추고 싶어 yeah